Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to receive money on RedotPay. Firstly, launch the RedotPay app on your mobile device. Tap on Home in the bottom menu, then select Deposit. Choose the crypto you want to deposit, such as USDT, Bitcoin, Ethereum, etc. It's important to choose the correct network that matches the one you'll be sending from. For example, if you're depositing USDT, you might see options like TRC20, ERC20 or BEP20. Just make sure it matches. After selecting the currency and network, RedotPay will generate a deposit address. You can copy it or scan the QR code. Go to your other wallet or exchange, initiate a withdrawal, and pass the RedotPay address. Choose the same network and confirm the amount. Complete any security verification required, and once sent, your funds will appear in your RedotPay account after network confirmations. Timing may vary by crypto and network speed. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.